welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how I organize my husband's closet. It has been such a relief since we separated our closet space. Now it feels great because he has his own space and I have mine. I'm gonna start from the left side. Okay, so on the left side I have all his formal shirts. In the end I have his jackets. So after jackets I have all his traditional clothes. That is not too many because he doesn't wear it that much. So on the right side I have all his t-shirts lined up. Winters are here, so I have put all the full sleeves ones in front, and this hanger is so convenient to use, so then he does not have to go through his t-shirts to find his jeans. It looks exactly the same and you can find it easily in the market. In the middle I have this amazing organizer that saves a lot of space. It has 6 to 7 compartments. So at the top I have all his towels lined up. The next one I have his extra t-shirts that he wears at night. The next two also are the night suits that he needs. Okay, then bottom one I have all the underwears here. So it saved a lot of space and all the extra things that I wanted came in one place. Now we've come to the shelf. I've used this organizer that has 7 to 8 spaces in it. I have used this to put his jeans over here so that he has a clear view of what is in front of him. This does a really good job, I think. This is another rectangular organizer that I have. So I have put all his vest over here. I have book fold them. I usually book fold more. On this right side of the shelf I have all his t-shirts lined up that he wears at home and is comfortable in. Now we've moved to the second shelf. Here I have all the things that he doesn't need more often. Like this tie organizer that I have kept. This is really good for all the ties, but he doesn't need it more often. So yeah, I've kept it over here. So in this basket I have all his extra socks. Big square organizer that I have, but I have all the things in it that are summer related and that is not needed right now. So on this side also I have all his extra summer stuff that are t-shirts and night suits that he has. Last shelf I have kept all the bedroom stuff. In this packet at the back I have quilts and comforters that are used in summers, basically not needed right now. These are all the pillow covers that I have and all the bed sheets are lined up, so it is easily accessible to me. Hanging hook right here on the door that can be placed anywhere at any time and it doesn't budge when the door closes. So I've used this for the belts and the clothes that he wants to wear the next day or something that he doesn't want to go for washing. He hangs it there. You can also use sticking hooks that are also really nice for hanging stuff. This is the end of the video now and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.